Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essentials, the file or URL and a quick view app. Open the document now because previewing begins immediately. Once open, switch to a reading or preview mode. This reduces layout noise and shows true flow. Make sure zoom is set to 100% and line wrap is enabled so you see paragraphs as readers will. Doing this first saves time later. It reveals headings, images, and pagination right away, so you know what to focus on next. Once the text is in preview mode, scan the structure to map the content quickly. You should skim headings and the first sentence of each paragraph to build an outline in your head. Use Find Ctrl+F or +F to jump to key terms, dates, or figures. This isolates important sections faster. If available, enable annotations or comments because they show intent and context. As you do these steps, mark or note the 3-4 parts that likely need a deeper read later. Now finalize your preview by opening the shortlisted sections in full view to confirm tone and detail. Exporting to PDF or using print preview helps you check how the text will appear to others, so do that before sharing. If images or formatting look wrong, reload the file or switch viewers. Some apps misrender fonts. One key troubleshooting tip. If Find fails, copy a paragraph into a plain text editor to remove hidden formatting and then search again. This usually fixes missed matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.